Hey everyone, welcome to Fix It Flow. In this video, we're going to talk about Roblox and answer the question, is it good for beginners, and what should you know before starting? Before we begin, I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, so if you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting that subscribe button. It really means a lot. So let's get into it. Roblox isn't just a game, it's a platform. As a beginner, that means you can jump into millions of user-made games across every genre you can imagine, but you can also create your own worlds and even learn to script with Lua if you want to take things further. Playing games is the easiest place to start. From roleplay to simulators, obbies, and adventure maps, there's something for everyone. But Roblox Studio is where the real magic happens. At first, it can feel intimidating, but the templates and drag and drop tools make it easy to build something right away. Over time, you can start experimenting with coding to create more advanced experiences. One of Roblox's biggest strengths is its community. You can share projects, join groups, buy and sell items in the marketplace, and even earn real money if you get good enough. But it's not all perfect. Learning Lua takes patience, the graphics aren't cutting edge, and since anyone can upload a game, quality can vary a lot. Safety is also something to keep in mind, especially for younger players. Now, compared to other platforms, Minecraft is simpler but more limited. You're mostly building with blocks. Fortnite Creative has better graphics but doesn't offer as much variety, and Unity or Unreal are more professional but way harder for complete beginners. Roblox sits right in the middle, powerful enough to create, but still accessible for newcomers. From my own experience, playing Roblox is smooth and fun, and building your first project is exciting, especially if you start with templates. The scripting part felt overwhelming at first, but thanks to tutorials and the community, it started to make sense. Honestly, it feels like a gateway into game development without being too technical from day one. So here's my recommendation. Start by playing different genres to see what inspires you. Then, try Roblox Studio using templates first, and slowly move into scripting. Follow YouTube tutorials or the Developer Hub, and most importantly, be patient. Learning to create is a journey, but it's one that's really rewarding. Final verdict, Roblox is great for beginners. It's not the easiest learning curve, but the mix of playing, creating, and being part of a community makes it 100% worth trying. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.